Hi folks, Carl Kasgard calling to you from Trelleborg, Sweden. We're down here at the port. It's Monday. Mother Nature has thrown us a curveball today. There are over 6-foot waves out over the Halifax, so we had to stay in port. But last week we did a heck of a good job. All the guys here on this ship, they busted their buns, and they did dives and set up all the tools, and we dived for 5 days straight on Halifax HR 871 of the Royal Canadian Air Force. We found the rudder, we found the horizontal stabilizer, we found the intermediate wing. That's a very critical part of our Halifax rebuild, and we found an awful lot of really good parts. And here's what really gets me, is that this airplane has been underwater for 78 years, and it looks like it came out of a freshwater lake, not the Baltic Sea. We got a bomb bay door now in freshwater in our swimming pool here for all our parts, and on the inside of the bomb bay door, it's got the original wood paneling still sticking to the door, and the outside of the door is not corroded through. It's in really good condition. That's from being under the sand of the Baltic for 78 years. But I want to hand it to these guys here on River Thames. We got the skipper, we've got the lead diver, Gustav and Jan, and they are doing a bang-up job for us. And we're getting, now that we've plotted everything, we've got all the tools, so we had to buy some more tools, and guess who got to do the tool shopping driving down Swedish roads? I must have scared 1,000 Swedish drivers with my Canadian driving. But anyways, we got the tools we needed, and we're set to go. Tuesday, tomorrow, should be a good day. The weather's going to be fine. The waves are going to be like 1 meter, 1.5 meters, but we can work with that. And we're going to be working on the intermediate wing, which is needed in Ottawa for our wing rebuild. We're going to be working on the horizontal stabilizer and the rudder unit, and we're going to gather as much stuff as we can in the next week before we have to wrap up our recovery. But I'm telling you that the teamwork here is great, and we thank you for all of your calls and your emails and your support, and we're saving this history for you, and we're going to give you more reports in the coming week. But today, because we had a little time off, maybe I will go have a shave. But right now, we just finished up tidying up the ship, and tomorrow we'll go out and go at it again. But, you know, we're doing this for our veterans. We're doing this for all of you folks in Canada who had guys in Bomber Command, and we're not giving up. And even if it's rough weather, we're going to be out there. And so stand by, as I said, and we will give you reports all week. Thanks for watching us.